Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. This is your dream home, a 5,000 square feet home with 4 bedrooms and 4.5 bathrooms. It is a well appointed family residence situated on 3/4 acre of lot, which also features a lush, well maintained garden space for true relaxation. This house is nestled in Stone Hills in a private residential area known as Whispering Woods Close. The house features include sunken living room, formal dining area, and separate TV room. Each bedroom has ensuite bathroom for convenience. There is stunning city views, water heater, water storage, grid tie solar system, brick oven, etc. The house is conveniently located 10 minutes from Manor Park, pharmacy, supermarket, gas station, shopping, plaza, and golf course. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 146 million or US $948,600. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.